A lot of the videos are start out like "Welcome to my shop." It's called "Welcome to my submarine build," or "You bust it, we fix it." What you see in here? Oh, I don't have a chair to sit in. Let's move this around. So you see that clearly. You don't see the tailstock. You need to see the tailstock number one. Alrighty, so that's a homemade lathe. I built it because the challenge of building your own lathe. Why not? Except for the, well, okay, the headstock, tailstock are originals from an old Wade lathe, which you I probably have mentioned, number one. And it's got its legs on it. Tilt this forward, so you can see there. That's my leg. That looks pretty cool, huh? Those original old vintage lathe legs, okay, I didn't make them. I repaired them by using weld bond and steel plating. They're so strong that you could smash them with a hammer, sledgehammer, and it wouldn't break there. Because the good old steel is bolted with weld bond, or JB Weld. Hi, I'm in the photo. Oh, here we have our latest model. Mm. Me, no, lathe. Welcome to Metadyne Engineering, where tomorrow's solutions are yesterday's past. Oh, we have here a particular lathe, no computer system with it. However, it is operated by a dovetail system, which is movable by a clamp. Moves this way. It did move that way. Doesn't move now because I adjusted these here for it. These bolts are for alignment and adjustment to true. Still didn't want to move. Okay. Why? Because it's heavy. So that moves. Then you clamp here gently. Then you clamp with a big clamp at the back. Then you can mill and machine. See how simple it is? Here's that. Special tool holder. All of this tailstock is fine. Slides along perfect. Clamps, everything clamps. And you have a 4-jaw chuck. It's in back gear right now, so we take it out of back gear. So you could drill, machine, mill with this guy. My model, JKH model number 1. Although it could be model 2 because I made one before. I made one before when I didn't have a lathe, and I'm going to power it. I did use a hand drill to power it to make the face plate for the 4-jaw chuck. I stuck it in the back of the headstock, put a variac on it, and it was a drill. I machined that face plate to fit that particular lathe chuck. And I'll be adding this here, a motor. A DC type motor, it'll be variable speed, and a reducer, which is this, which I'm going to put a flat belt pulley in the center of this. Approximately 2.5-inch diameter flat belt pulley. This will turn, and it'll turn the headstock. How's that for P's and Q's? So it's going to be interesting. Although I have very well equipped lathes, already. Project number 2. This will be fun, just for the hell of it. That little table over there, that's where Seneca Falls number 10 lathe is going to fit. That is a machine-made lathe by factory. So I covered the lathe story already in another video, but oh well. Boredom does have its privileges, doesn't it? Okay, so we got the lathe issues. Patience, I call them. Still recording, I am. Oh my God. Step back. And we have over here, of course, these patients, which I'm taking a break from working on and repairing them and tuning them up. I'll put you over there. Well, don't fall over there. Okay. Stay there without falling over. So we have here a test unit I use. It's a Squawky Yawky. Hello. 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 Of course nobody hearing me. It is probably 100 milliwatts only. A CB radio on channel 14. I do have a 4-watt one. And we have here a portable TV set, believe it or not. However, there's no audio or video frequencies for this thing to pick up, so I use it for other things. It will pick up a VCR at close range when you put the antenna right by the VCR or the output. It'll pick up some video, but it's kind of primitive. Yeah, it is primitive. I was making those black and white videos you saw that I uploaded on my adventures down in LA and TV shows and other crazy things. What do we got here? So I was lifting something that put dents in my arm, which was that unit. No, oh, you can see it? I don't know. That was a very heavy piece. And other pieces I've been manipulating around. It does take a while to get this stuff organized and prepared. Is a word? Humans talk in strange ways. Oh, you know, do you know, I was out there, how did the person know that? Didn't know the answer. I don't know the answer. Yeah, I love this old stuff. Radio test set. AN, American Navy. 4 is URM 44. Headquarters, Department of the Army, March 1961. Wow. Headquarters, okay. Now these old manuals show you what it looks like in the crate. Warning. Basically high voltage warning. Description and leading particulars. This is when they built stuff real good. All kinds of diagrams, pictures. 61. Wow. That's one. I've got others going back to the 40s. Some going to the 30s, actually. So what is a test set? Well, it's used for testing radar systems and other particular chunks of radar gear. Calibration, waveguide, output, input, correction, efficiency. Warmer in here, by the way. Kind of chilly out there. It's a cold and miserable day today. And now it's raining. And it's cold and windy. Cold and windy. That's where I started from in the previous video. I feel chilly as well. Feet feel cold. Say cold feet, warm heart. I don't really feel that good today either. I don't feel that energetic. More energetic when the sun's out. That's warm. So when I got up today, I came here and then I laid down for an hour, dozed off, but just forcing myself to do things. Whereas yesterday, my back was so sore, I was doing a lot of different things. Today it's not as sore. I'm doing nothing. Talk about stupid, huh? Well, I don't know what to talk about. I'm sure you don't know either. I briefly covered my lathe I built. Not going into your handyman detail. I just see things in my head and do it. For me to write about it, I don't. For me to talk about it, I rarely do. I just do it. That's what frustrated the scientists. On the other projects I was doing, I didn't explain anything. I just simply did it. The same as the free energy, so-called free energy generators made for Japanese and German folks, plus American and Canadian people. But why should I explain it? I mean, it's very boring to explain something. And keep notes. I never kept notes, nothing like that. That's stupid. I guess it's a whole different mindset in regards to that kind of thing. Am I recording this? Yeah, of course. Different mindset. People like to write papers and write a lot of things. Keeps them out of trouble, and I like just building things. Oh, I guess I can turn that off. Hold on. vent system. I respect people's privacy and wants and wishes. Why the fan was on is to get rid of smoke. Because a lot of people don't like cigarette smoke, and I don't blame them. It's terrible, stinking stuff, I'm sure. Oh, we got... It's cold out and it's raining, but let's do a little video out there. See if any ravens clack. There's a toy out there. Big toy. Let's see if we can do this without freezing me. Oh, it's kind of windy. Oh, here we go. Out into the water world. Oh, sorry guys. I didn't know you were out there. You nuts? You got enough food? I don't know if you saw the ravens fly away, but there they go. You gonna land on the roof or come down or what? Ooh. Hi. Wow, a lot of them. Wow. You guys got food? Got a little bit there. Tomorrow is a better day, guys. Almost be a bed coming too. Yes, I know. What? There they go. Hi! Oh, this is the toy. Let's get in it and play with it. Oh, it's got water on the seat. Oh no. Oh, this is a hydraulic operated cat. It's got a plate on it, but it's all water on the seat. Well, I guess I can't do that then, okay. Tomorrow maybe, huh? Nice hydraulic rams. Wow. What do you think over here? Cat. Hey, what's for scrounging? Not much wood here for scrounging food. Let's take a look inside. We're building a UFO. I had my thumb over the button. Problem with this stupid iPad. I'm gonna do another video here.